Welcome everyone to How To Tutorial. For today's episode of How To Tutorial, I will be showing you how to change country in Google Play Store. So to begin the process, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Google Play Store, you need to tap at the top right corner, that is the profile icon. Tap that. There on the profile page, you need to tap on Settings. Inside Settings, you need to tap on the General on top. Tap that. Inside General, you need to tap on Account and Device Preference. Tap that. Here on the Account and Device Preference, you will see the Country and Profile option. Here, you will be able to change your country to a different one in the Play Store. And for that, you will have the option to choose the country from the list. But you can do that only when you change your country. So here you can see the information. You should change your play country only when you move to a new country, and then only you will be able to change it. That is, once you change your country, the Play Store will update your country and region when your IP address changes. So if you want to change a country while you are at the same place, you can trick Google into thinking where you are with a VPN. You will also need to clear your data and cache. However, you will also need to have a valid payment method from that country. Then only you will be able to change it to a different one while you are currently at your own place. So this is how you can only change your country in Google Play Store. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the How To tutorial. Thank you.